Hi, I'm Jesse, your data wrangler. I'm cleaning up a messy data set of customer profiles, ages, locations, subscriptions for a model to predict who's leaving. It's a wild mess, but I'll fix it fast. Let's go. Now, check this out. This data set is all over the place. Some ages are missing, locations are pretty inconsistent, subscription labels are confusing, and there are even some duplicates. This kind of mess can hide important patterns and make our model less accurate. I've identified a couple of problems and we'll tackle each one so the data actually tells the truth about our customers. First of all, 15% of customers didn't provide their age. That is a huge gap that could throw off predictions. Second, locations are pretty inconsistent. Some entries say TX, others Texas. Imagine trying to analyze trends with half the data in one format and half in the other. It's just pure chaos. Fixing this makes our data set consistent and a lot more reliable. Now, next up, subscriptions are pretty much all over the place, basic or just B, and payments sometimes say NA instead of another payment method like credit card. Plus, about 5% of customers are listed twice. If we left these issues, our model could get confused, make wrong predictions, or even give biased results. That's why cleaning this up is really critical. Here's how we fix it. For missing ages, I'll fill the average age, 30. It's a simple way to make the data complete without skewing the results all too much. For locations, we'll standardize everything to the same code like TX. Now, every customer is labeled consistently, which helps the model understand the patterns clearly. Now, for subscriptions, all B entries become basic, payments that say NA become unknown, and for duplicates, we'll only keep one record per customer. These fixes remove confusion, clean up the data structure, and ensure each customer counts only once. The model can now train on a clear, accurate data set, exactly what it needs done. Why bother cleaning data? Well, messy data isn't just untidy, it actually makes the model work harder and slower. When we feed a model missing ages, inconsistent locations, and duplicate entries, it struggles to find the true pattern. That can lead to inaccurate predictions, which means we might target the wrong customer with retention strategies, wasting both time and money. By filling in missing ages, we ensure the model understands the typical customer, standardizing locations like turning Texas into TX into the same code. That prevents the model from thinking they're different regions. When subscription labels are consistent and payments are clear, the model can accurately connect behaviors to payment types, removing duplicates. That ensures that the customer only influences the model once. No accidental double counting. The result? The model trains faster because it isn't confused by messy entries. Predictions become more reliable, giving insights that actually reflect real customer behavior. Marketing, retention strategies, and business decisions become smarter because they're based on real clean data. Essentially, clean data is like giving your model clear directions instead of messy, confusing maps. Clean data equals smart models, that equals smart decisions, and that makes everybody's job easier, from analysts to managers to the whole business team. And now we're done. Look at the difference. All missing ages have been filled, locations standardized, subscription types clarified, and duplicates removed. What we're left with is a data set that's reliable, accurate, and ready for modeling. Our turn prediction model can now learn patterns from real, meaningful data instead of being misled by complete inconsistencies. Think of it like a garden. Before it was outgrown with weeds, tangled vines, and missing plants. Now everything is pruned, organized, and healthy. Each record has its place, and the model can grow strong insights from it. With these fixes, we can identify which customers are most likely to leave, why they might leave, and what actions will keep them loyal. Decisions based on this data are more confident, less risky, and far more effective. And the beauty of it, these changes save time down the line. Analysts won't have to constantly clean the data again, reports are faster, and business teams get insights immediately. So that's the magic of data wrangling. It isn't just fixing mistakes, it is transforming chaos into clarity. It's about turning messy customer profiles into powerful, trustworthy information that helps keep the business subscribers happy. Thanks for following along with me, and remember, clean data doesn't just look neat, it drives real results.